Emu. The emu is a large flightless bird native to Australia. It is the second largest living bird in the world, after the ostrich, and can grow up to 6.5 feet, 2 meters, tall and weigh up to 120 pounds, 55 kilograms. Emus have shaggy brown feathers, long necks, and powerful legs that are adapted for running at high speeds. They are also able to swim and are good at jumping. Emus are herbivores, and feed on a variety of plants, fruits, and seeds. They are also known to eat insects, small animals, and even stones, which helps them digest their food. Emus are social birds and live in groups called mobs, which can consist of up to 100 birds. During the breeding season, males become territorial and will mate with multiple females. The female emu lays between 5 and 15 dark green eggs in a clutch, which the male then incubates for around 8 weeks until they hatch. The male takes care of the chicks until they are able to fend for themselves, which can take up to 7 months. Emus are an important cultural symbol for Indigenous Australians and have been used for their meat, eggs, and feathers for thousands of years. Today, they are also farmed for their meat, which is low in fat and high in protein, and for their oil, which is used in cosmetics and as a natural anti-inflammatory. Here are some interesting facts about emus. Number 1. Emus are flightless birds native to Australia. They are the second largest bird in the world after the ostrich. Number 2. Emus can grow up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall and weigh up to 120 pounds, 54 kilograms. Number 3. They have powerful legs that allow them to run up to 30 miles, 50 kilometers, per hour, making them one of the fastest birds on land. Number 4. Emus have long necks and small heads with sharp beaks. They use their beaks to forage for food, which can include plants, insects, and small animals. Number 5. Emus are social birds and often live in groups of up to 20 individuals. During breeding season, males will court females by puffing up their feathers and making drumming sounds with their throats. Number 6. Female emus lay large, dark green eggs that can weigh up to 1 pound, 450 grams, each. The male emu incubates the eggs and cares for the chicks once they hatch. Number 7. Emus have a unique digestive system that allows them to eat tough, fibrous plants that other animals cannot digest. They have a 3-chambered stomach that grinds up food and breaks down cellulose. Number 8. Emus are important in Australian culture and are featured on the country's coat of arms. They have also been used as a source of food, oil, and leather for thousands of years. Number 9. Emus are classified as a least concern species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, habitat loss, hunting, and climate change are all threats to their populations. Emus, like any other species, face a variety of biological challenges throughout their lives. Here are some of the biological challenges that emus face. Number 1. Predation. Emus are hunted by a number of predators, including dingoes, foxes, and feral cats. Emus have developed various adaptations to evade or defend themselves against these predators. Number 2. Parasites. Emus are susceptible to a variety of parasites, including ticks, lice, mite, and internal worms. These parasites can cause health problems and affect the growth and development of emus. Number 3. Disease. Emus are vulnerable to various diseases, including avian influenza, Newcastle disease, and psittacosis. These diseases can be transmitted from mother birds or through contaminated water or feed. Number 4. Environmental stress. Emus are adapted to living in arid and semi-arid environments and can tolerate high temperatures, but extreme weather events such as droughts, floods, and bushfires can be challenging for them. Number 5. Reproduction. Emus are polygamous, with males typically mating with multiple females during the breeding season. However, successful breeding can be influenced by factors such as food availability, environmental conditions, and social dynamics within the group. Number 6. Diet. Emus are omnivores and feed on a variety of plant and animal material. However, their diet can be influenced by seasonal changes in food availability, and they may need to adapt their feeding behavior accordingly. Overall, emus have adapted to survive in challenging environments and face a range of biological challenges throughout their